Hi everyone. So today we are going to talk about like Copilot 3D. So which is to turn the images into the 3D models with one click. So we all know then like we are going to turn our person into the 3D magic. So we can do it with the help of this Copilot 3D. So from the Microsoft smart tool that can make your toys and drawings and even food come to light in the 3D. So like Copilot 3D is a tool like that uses the AI to turn a single 2D photo into a 3D model. So it creates a digital object that looks a three-dimensional and can be used in games and virtual devices and 3D printings. So let us see how it works. So I'm clicking on it to try now. So when I click on it, so you can see the turn images into the 3D model with one click. So this is like how we are going to get once it's come the picture into the 3D model. So let us see, like I uploaded my pictures. So here we see the what are the features it has, so how it is going to go. We need to upload a pictures that takes a picture of everything. So you can take a toy, troop, or even your drawings, and the AI is going to create the 3D. So the smart AI looks at your photo and makes a 3D model of the object, and you can download and use it. And you can use this 3D model in the games and VRs and even 3D printings. So what can you make this do? As I said, we can use the toys, like you bring your favorite toys to life in 3D, and food make 3D fruits, snacks and desserts, and drawings turn your sketches into the 3D objects, and also game items. You can create a characters or items for the video games. And tip for the best results is use the clear photos with good lighting and keep the background simple, and like complex objects will not always turn out perfectly. And you can download your 3D model because it's stored like up to the 28 days. So try it yourself and let us see how we can create it. I'm going to go to here. Uh, yeah. So try now. Click on this try now. So it is now getting to the labs experiment trace of 3D generation. So where you can see here. So by clicking on this upload image, if you need to upload the picture from your location. So you can see how it is really embedded, and we can scroll down and we can use I get inspired with this. I guess we can feature art and design, and oh yeah, we can see the art and designs and do a 3D model character, game and film, and lesson died, skin, science fiction, and details. So I already created the images, so I need to show a sample like how it is created. So I uploaded my picture and I created, and you can see in my creations. So how I created two things, and you can see here. So I uploaded my picture here, and so it generated somewhat to generate more and flame model. So there is a tool like a generated model, and it shows the play model. So the play model it look like this. So it did okay. Yeah, and I need to give better comp, better care check. So then I check in the clay model. It looks very fine, and it is did someone that it. So you can see there all that will be in the sense. Yeah, this how the by using this Copilot 3D page and start creating, and we no need to have the no special software needed and which web browser. So with Copilot 3D, we can our imagination becomes real, and we can take a photo and what the AI work. It's magic, and it's enjoying the your own 3D creations and perfect for the fun and learning and the game designs. So that's all about this Copilot 3D. So thank you.